Hey, it's sounding nice now. Yeah, we're about to take over the game. We're plotting right now. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it. No. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it. No. I think my vision's getting blurry, swear the Reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun. And I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Go separate ways, cause lately I don't feel the way that I used to, that I used to, that I used to, that I used to. You and I go separate ways, cause lately I don't feel the way that I used to, that I used to, that I used to, that I used to. I reminisce on the days back when we used to hang. Used to laugh at all my tracks until I finally got paid. Girl, I gave you all my time, all you gave me was pain. When you came back in my life, no, it just ain't the same. You think every song's about you, no, I never doubt you. Said I'd never make it, but I'm doing fine without you. Thought that I was special, I was just a vessel for you to use me up and let me so.
If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. Remember when we talked on the phone, we were geek now. Every time I call, you're so low, you can speak. I miss the better days, sharing stories that
too many dead, every headline dread. Keep it out of my head, I don't know what I can say now. Another one gone way too young. I just hold my tongue, I don't wanna be the next one.
RP Little Peep, RP to the grace. Mac Miller RP, and that shit ain't the same. Get scary these days, being in this lane. If I don't make it, please just memorize my name. I'm struggling and sometimes I don't know if I'm alright. In the darkest state of mind, cause all my idols fucking die. No one left I can't look up to, it's just me, myself and I. For all my fans I gotta find the strength to try and stay alive. Yeah, running from myself and I've been living like this. I've been running from the pain and I don't wanna go back now. I'm running from myself and I've been living like this. I've been running from and I'm back on the transplant, sold down shows, out bad for revenge. They don't really wanna get it when I tap into the vision. When I'm back on the raps on tracks like I am not one of you, they never heard of me. Path is not written, so do not refer to me. They gon' be feeling this for an eternity. Money, ridiculous, second absurdities. And now I'm back for revenge. I'm leaving you on the bench, and I don't get no sleep. Go until the Reaper weeps. I've been gone for a minute, had to rethink this way I've been living. Dropped disgrace, didn't feel so great, so I went dark, really had to find my way. Change of flow, but so devoted, really had to change of mode. Branded focus, no more nights playing shows, ain't getting loaded. Got sober, now I'm working on my magnum opus. Yeah, I never rest, ego death, heard the competition, not impressed. I'm obsessed, yeah I'm pressed, that people really think they'll be. Man, I've been fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it, no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene. Word around here been blessed, everything I hear my best. The game looks clear, no test. Won't stop till my peer sesh, won't stop us now. Yeah, we're about to take over the game, we're plotting right.